Alright, so Raintree commercial development, brand new on the market. First to bring it to you guys as well, right out here by Ferry, right next to the Ferry police station. So yes, it's a drone video, so I am gonna set up the drone for you guys so you guys can see a better look of the area. But this is the proposed development. It's a commercial development that is being proposed for this area. So this has been a woodland for a very long time, forever and ever. The cane field is close by, so it's not a part of the cane land. And it's been developed by UDC, that's Urban Development Corporation. But I was while approaching why some of these trucks is speeding, but while approaching this area and passing the cane fields, I'm saying to myself, probably in 10 to 15 years, most of these empty land, most of these cane field, which over this side, you know, probably it's gonna be some luxury townhouse development, some apartment complex, because that's the industry that's booming in Jamaica. You know, right now I'll be curious to know, you know, how much sugar are we producing in Jamaica. Right now Jamaica should be one of the leading sugar producer in the world, but I'm not the government. You know, we don't have a lot of factories, we don't have a lot of manufacturing plants, and even though we were born out of agriculture and farming, because if we go back to slavery is farming and agriculture, but that industry is dead, you know. It's just factories, plaza, apartments, roads. But what about farming? It should be one of the leading farming countries in the world. Sugarcane and other crops. What do you guys think though? So Raintree Commercial Complex invest in the future. Commercial lots for sale and the phone number is there. What do you guys think about this area and this proposed development? I guess they're proposing factories based on what I'm seeing and other heavy commercial entities. Well, let me know what you think. Remember to like, comment and share. But I honestly think Jamaica should be doing a lot more in terms of farming. Right now probably we're importing a lot more agricultural stuff, including sugar, than we're producing. If anybody know the facts in terms of import of agricultural products and sugar, you can let me know in the comments. But certain foundational industry like agriculture, farming, manufacturing and other stuff, I think we have definitely failed in that regards. A lot of emphasis in stuff like tourism, call center, no real estate, but what about the core things like farming, you know? Well, just my few cents. So we have the sugar fields over this side. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna send up the drone. Fesco is not far. That's Fesco gas station. They have a convenience store, they have a restaurant, they have Tasty. So it's a popular spot right here on Ferry. And you have Idle School down the road as well, and the police station. So I'm gonna set up the drone, show you guys a better view of the area. Very quick video, straight to the point. Remember to like, comment, and share.